Welcome back to the follow-up discussion about the Atterberg limits. Last time, we discussed about the liquid limit and the liquid test. This time, we are going to tackle the plastic limit and the plasticity index. So, the plasticity index measures the plasticity of the soil. And plasticity means the quality of being shaped easily or molded. Ibig sabihin, itong test na ito is to measure how easily molded or easily shaped yung soil na ginagamit natin. And sa mga problems, actually the same ang given sa kanya sa liquid test except for the number of flows. Yun lang ang natanggal. So in this case, we have the test number, the weight of wet soil and the container, then the weight of dry soil and the container, then the weight of the container. So, ang kailangan natin i-compute is the weight of water, weight of dry soil, and the moisture content. Same process as we did earlier sa liquid tests. So, let's begin. So, weight of water, the same thing that we did earlier. Gagawin natin is to subtract the value of the wet soil, weight of wet soil, to the value of the weight of the dry soil plus the container. So, let's start. So, this one minus 20.72. Okay? For ease of access, pwede natin i-copy yan. Then, paste dito. I-copy niya lang yung function, not the value itself. Okay? Next is the weight of dry soil. So, to do this, we have to subtract the weight of dry soil plus the container, then the weight of the container para makuha natin ang value ng dry soil. So, equals 20.72 minus 12.66. And copy. Same. There we go. Now, for the moisture content, same pa rin. Ang gagawin natin is we divide the values of the weight of the water and the weight of dry soil. Then, we multiply it by 100%. Now, okay, divided by 8.06 times 100. Copy, paste. So, itong plastic limit, saan ito siya nakuha? So, ang plastic limit is just the average between, the average of the two moisture contents. So, for example, given ang, for example, mag-add tayo ng isa pang values dito. Sige. So, weight of water natin is this one minus this one. Then, weight of dry soil is this one minus weight of the container. Moisture content is just copy, paste. Okay. So, para makuha natin ang plastic limit nitong given, for example, itong given natin, all we need to do is to get the average of this three. So, kung meron pang isa, average ng apat. Madagdagan isa, so on. Average ng dapat. So, for example, ito, and ito. So, plus this one. Para makuha natin ang average, which would be 58.86. So, yan ang method how to get the plastic limit. Now, for the plasticity index, para makuha natin ang plasticity index, erase ko na to. Para makuha natin ang value ng plasticity index, we need to have the value or the liquid limit. Okay? So, kung wala kang liquid limit, hindi natin makukuha ang plasticity index. So, since meron tayong liquid limit, makukuha natin ang PI. What we need to do is to subtract the liquid limit and the plastic limit. Example, 45.37 minus 32.04, giving us 13.33. Now, as you can see, meron tayong legend dito sa ilalim. Ang legend nito ang mag-indicate sa atin whether or not ang soil na ginagamit natin is non-plastic, slightly plastic, medium plastic, or highly plastic. So if it's less than 0, non-plastic. If it's less than 7, slightly plastic. If it's in between 7 to 17, then medium plastic. If it's greater than 17, then it's highly plastic. So since ang nakuha natin na plasticity index is 13.33, meaning to say, ang ating soil is medium plastic. Ibig sabihin, ang soil na ginagamit ay medyo madali mahulma, easily shaped. Now, if for example, ang nakuha natin na value dito is more than 17, ibig sabihin highly plastic siya. And ang ibig sabihin lang nito is napakadaling i-mold yung soil na yun. Okay? So, I think that's it. That's it for the plastic limit, and I hope you've learned something from me. And in the next video, I will be discussing about the shrinkage limit. Okay? Thank you for listening, and goodbye.